Real estate is hard. I can't do it. I don't got enough money. I can't invest in real estate. I can't get started. In this video, I'm gonna give you a simple explanation on how you can get into real estate and how anybody can get started and why it's not hard. What it do, baby? It's your boy, Brandon Young, bringing you another video. If you are new to this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. Now, real estate investing is seen as one of the most lucrative things that you can do in the world to make money. Now, honestly, when I got into thinking about doing real estate, I was really scared because there's this misconception that you need a lot of money to do it. But then I started doing a lot of research trying to figure out, is there a way that I can invest or put in the least amount of money to get into this and have a lot of upside? And there actually is a couple of ways that you can do it. So I want to touch on how or one way that you really can get started. Now, there's a couple of real estate investors on YouTube, and a lot of them talk about how they got started on their first deal. So first thing that I did was I analyzed and saw what exactly did they do to get started, because as you know, when you start out, you may not have a lot of money to put into a building, and a lot of real estate can start off with maybe 50K, 60K. And, a lot of people don't have that. So a lot of people were saying that when they got started, they were looking for 3-family homes. And it wasn't only 3-family homes. It was 2-family homes, 3-family homes. Now in your head, you're thinking, okay, this might be a lot of money. A 2 or 3-family home? How am I going to afford something like that? Well, they did something that is called a FHA loan. Now, a FHA loan allows you to put 3.5% down of the total cost of the house. So picture a house being $300,000 and you only having to put 3.5% down on that house. That's not a lot of money. I mean, 3.5% of 300,000, I don't want to do the math in my head right now, but that's not a lot of money. And a lot of people don't actually think this way. The only thing about doing this FHA loan is you do have to live on the residence for about a year before you can potentially move out. But here's the thing. A lot of people that are starting out, they will live on the property for a year, do this FHA loan, live there for a year, pay their portion depending on, since they're living on there, they're going to have to pay their portion of the rent, which is totally fine because you're putting money towards ownership. So the more money you're putting down is the more equity that you are getting in this building. And as the year rolls by, they finish, then they can actually move out, go somewhere else. They can rent out that actual place that they were living in. And now they're getting a full-time income. And all they did was pay 3.5% on that house. But question for you. Have you decided to get started in real estate? Are you looking to get started in real estate? And if you do have something related to real estate, how many houses do you have? What do you plan to have? Let me know in the comments section below. But you gotta remember, guys, anything in life that you really want isn't gonna be a straight path. There's gonna be bumps on the road. But if you keep on grinding, keep on pushing, you will eventually get there. You will eventually get to your goals. So if real estate is something that you want, or, that new skill, that degree, whatever the case may be, you need to push yourself, keep on grinding if you want it. Hope you learned something from this video. Be sure to go and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. I'm Brandon Young and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.